Amber Heard, Johnny Depp's former wife, has claimed that the Hollywood star threatened to kill her many times. She's giving evidence at the LIBEL trial, which he's launched against the Sun newspaper's accusations of wife-beating. Well, let's get more on that story from our correspondent, Inzamam Rashid, who's outside the High Court in central London. And more extreme revelations today in court.
That's right, those extreme revelations continuing now into a third week of this trial, Adam. We've been hearing from Johnny Depp's former wife, Amber Heard, also an actor who has been giving evidence on behalf of the Sun's publisher, News Group newspapers, over the last couple of hours in Court 13 in the High Court. Just behind me there, they've just broken for lunch now, so they'll be returning just after 2 o'clock. But as a reminder, we've already had 2 weeks of high drama inside the court here, and Amber Heard has been watching on for those past couple of weeks as her ex-husband, the Hollywood star Johnny Depp, has been giving evidence as well. We've heard some quite gruesome and dramatic details of their relationship. Now, this all has come about because of an article that the Sun wrote back in 2018 in which they alleged that Johnny Depp was a wife beater, and also in there were 14 incidents of alleged violence towards Amber Heard, all which Johnny Depp completely denies. Now, in a written witness statement which was given to the court today by Amber Heard, she accused Johnny Depp of subjecting her to verbal and physical abuse. She included in there screaming, swearing, issuing threats, punching, slapping, kicking, headbutting and choking her, as well as extremely controlling and intimidating behaviour. As I mentioned, this was a written witness statement which was handed out to the court, a 40-page document, and in there Amber Heard says that some incidents were so severe that I was afraid he was going to kill me, either intentionally or just by losing control and going too far. He explicitly threatened to kill me many times, especially later in our relationship. Over the last couple of hours or so, she has been cross-examined by the lawyers for Johnny Depp, but also in that witness statement, she spoke about the way he talked about our relationship being dead or alive, and telling me that death was the only way out of the relationship. Now, as Johnny Depp's lawyers have been questioning Amber Heard, they've been talking about her use of alcohol and drugs. As you remember, in the first week of this trial, Johnny Depp was questioned hugely over his misuse of drug and alcohol, saying that he'd been taking it for a very long time, and a number of substances he'd been taking as well, and whether that had led to any anger that had incurred between the relationship of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. But she'd been talking about her drug and alcohol use, saying that it wasn't toxic. She said that she didn't drink excessively or take cocaine whilst they were in a relationship. But Johnny Depp's lawyers say that that is a lie. So clearly another drama-fueled day here at the High Court as Amber Heard gives evidence for the first time in this libel trial between Johnny Depp and the publisher of the Sun's newspaper, and that drama will continue throughout this afternoon and as Amber Heard gives evidence over the next couple of days.